I'm Jen. I'm a professional home organizer. My company is The Simply Sorted Home. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about how to organize clothes that your kids have outgrown, which if you have kids, this is happening on the regular. So stay tuned. If you do like organizing tips and tricks, I should mention right now, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm always showing tips and tricks for organizing pretty much anything in your home, all in a simple to-do way. So you won't be breaking out a hammer, you won't be breaking out a drill. These are all simple tricks that anybody can do. So moving on, so let's talk kids' clothes. So the first thing to talk about, I guess, is how to actually go about storing the clothes. So one thing that I like to do with my kids is keep a big tub in their closet. It could be a tub, it could be a garbage bag, it doesn't matter. Just have something that as soon as you notice that your kid has outgrown, take off the hanger, don't look back, and just toss it in here. Once this bucket or the garbage bag or whatever it is that you're using gets full, then it's time to start thinking more long term. So in my case, I'm fortunate that I have two boys. So pretty much anything that boy number one outgrows, it will be passed on to boy number two. So as soon as this bin gets full, what I tend to do is take it all out, fold it nicely, and then keep it in one of these big vacuum sealed bags. And what I love about this is, one, it saves a ton of space. This is the Ziploc space bag. It lives up to its name. It saves a ton of space. It holds roughly 2 of these tubs worth of goods in a single bag. So I like to even enlist my older son to actually just help fold everything. We put it in here, we treat it as a science day, and see what happens when you actually start sucking the air out of these bags, and they get super excited. Once it's actually vacuum sealed, it will shrink significantly. This still hasn't been used. So once it's actually shrunk down to size, I actually store mine underneath my bed. It doesn't bother me, I never see it. But you can put it in your garage, you can keep it in a storage room, wherever you have space for it. Then when kid number 2 or 3 or 4, or however many kiddos you have, need it, you just open it up, give everything a good wash, and you're good to get going. So try it. It's a great way to save some space. It saves you from putting things into cardboard boxes and storing it in your garage, which please don't do. You'll go back in a couple years and see that all of that clothes has been utterly destroyed. So space saver bags, I'll post some links to some in the comments, but try it out and let me know your thoughts.